them. They're like 100. And I collect them. This one I got yesterday. This one I got 2 weeks ago. This one is Mommy's that she gave to me because it was hers when she was little. I made a little cage for it. Oh, and I have one more bird. I'm going to go get it.
Oh, wait. Come get it afterwards. Tell us about birds. Everything you know about birds.
Well, I know a lot about mute swans, but I don't have any. Which is so sad.
Tell us about mute swans.
Well, I made a mute swan book.
Okay, and what do you know about mute swans?
Well, do you want the good facts or the obvious facts?
I don't know anything. Probably most people don't know anything. So
The mute swan. You know what a swan is, everybody, right?
Yes.
So you know what a swan looks like, right? It has white, a long neck, blah, blah, blah. It has an orange beak. It has a black thingy there, which not all swans have. And some swans have black beaks. I'm going to tell you something about mute swans. Not swans, mute swans. Well, mute swans' babies are called cygnets. I have no clue how to spell it, like Sygnets, I think. And,
So you do have a clue. Tell us more.
And, I'm thinking of the good ones, not the obvious facts. They eat water animals and water plants and water bugs and stuff.
How long is their wingspan?
Oh my gosh, you're gonna freak out. It's 95 or 94 inches.
Ooh, okay. And tell me about their babies when they have a baby. What?
It's an egg, obviously.
And how many? Tell me all about the...
Oh, eggs. Oh my god. It lays up to 1 to 11 eggs.
How often does it lay eggs?
Once a year.
And then when those babies hatch, what happens?
It's called a clutch.
No, the bunch of eggs is called a clutch.
Oh yeah, the bunch of eggs is called a clutch. When the babies hatch, they're like, tweet. I mean, they don't do tweet, because mute swans are not mute, but they don't have a call. They just snort and bark and groan.
Okay, so then when they have their baby, when does it learn to swim?
Oh, and I've learned this from watching. Mute swans do not like Canada geese at all. Because once I saw a bunch of Canada geese swimming, and then I saw a mute swan come up, and then the Canada geese were like...
Now, the mute swans, they're very beautiful, but they're also very...
mean.
They're mean.
They're angry.
Yes. All right, show me one of your favorite birds here, and tell me how you're going to celebrate Bird Day. Just all the different ways that you want to celebrate birds today. This really is an awesome day for you.
I like this guy.
Yeah, what's that guy?
Great horned owl.
Oh, cool.
And it's cool because it's like this.
Oh, I'm too close to you for everybody to get that full picture.
Then I'll do it smaller.
There you go.
And
Good one. Okay. Show me 2 more.
They like this little house finch because this is why.
That's a house finch?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Or a finch, whatever. A golden finch, not a house finch.
A golden finch? Okay, cool.
It's, you could put it on your finger and do this. And you could be like, there's a bird on my finger.
Yeah. Okay, show me one last one and then wish everyone the happiest of happy birthdays.
There's only one birthday.
Mm.
Oh, this one is really good because I made it.
Ah!
I made it.
Okay, what bird is it?
It's a mute swan.
So we do have a mute swan made out of...
Bandaroos.
Okay, let me see it this way.
And my sister made the water.
Oh, that's so nice. Okay. All
It
right.
said it was a goose, but I made it to a lovely mute swan, not a goose.
Okay. We see how you feel about geese. We won't mention them. All right, tell everybody to have the most wonderful birthday.
Have a most wonderful birthday, and I have a weird bird.
Oh, we got one last one.
It was my mom. It doesn't look like an owl. Okay, these are supposed to be the same thing. Which one looks more realistic?
This one. Look at his eyes. Oh, I loved these animals when I was little.
I love it, but it's like weird.
Okay. Say bye.
And like it's like a bat because it has that skin. Okay. So I wish you the happiest of happy birthday. And remember, let the birds be free.